step-by-step guide to help you set positive intentions. 1. Reflect on your values. Consider what truly matters to you in life. Identify your core values, beliefs, and principles. Your intentions should align with these values to create a sense of purpose and fulfillment. 2. Focus on what you want. Instead of dwelling on what you want to avoid, shift your focus to what you want to achieve. Define your goals in positive terms to create a forward-looking mindset. 3. Be specific. Make your intentions clear and specific. Vague goals can be challenging to work toward. For example, if you want to improve your health, specify whether you're aiming to exercise more, eat healthier, or reduce stress. 4. Set realistic goals. While it's great to be ambitious, set goals that are attainable and realistic. Unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and disappointment. 5. Use SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Applying these criteria to your goals can make them more actionable and effective. 6. Visualize success. Close your eyes and visualize yourself achieving your goals. Imagine the feelings of accomplishment, happiness, and fulfillment. This visualization can motivate you and reinforce your intentions. 7. Break down goals. Divide larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the process less overwhelming and provides a sense of achievement as you complete each step. 8. Write them down. Put your intentions in writing. This reinforces your commitment and makes your goals feel more concrete. Consider creating a journal dedicated to your intentions and progress. 9. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude as you work toward your intentions. Cultivate a mindset that focuses on possibilities and solutions rather than obstacles. 10. Practice affirmations. Use positive affirmations to remind yourself of your intentions. These statements can help counteract self-doubt and keep you motivated. 11. Create a plan. Develop an action plan outlining the specific steps you'll take to achieve your intentions. Having a plan increases your chances of success. 12. Stay flexible. Life is unpredictable, so be open to adjusting your plans when necessary. Flexibility allows you to adapt to changing circumstances without losing sight of your intentions. 13. Celebrate progress. Celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small. Acknowledging your progress boosts your motivation and self-confidence. 14. Practice consistency. Consistency is key to achieving your goals. Make intentional efforts every day, even if they're small. Small, consistent actions add up over time. 15. Embrace learning. Recognize that setbacks and failures are part of the journey. Learn from them rather than letting them deter you from pursuing your intentions. 16. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with people, environments, and activities that support your intentions and positive mindset. 17. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for the progress you're making and the opportunities you have. Gratitude enhances your overall well-being. 18. Review and adjust. Regularly review your intentions and progress. Adjust your goals if needed and make sure they continue to align with your evolving values and desires. Remember that setting positive intentions is an ongoing process. Be patient and kind to yourself as you work toward your goals. And remember that the journey itself holds valuable lessons and growth opportunities.